Children, please open English classwork book, page 88. Two-letter words. The first word is at. So let us trace it. First we will trace A, and that is written in two blue lines. C curve, go up and come down straight. And T, start from little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, make a curve and go little bit up like this, and a sleeping line on the first blue line. At. A-T, at. Let us write over here. At. A-T, at. Let us write once again. We will write A. So first we will make a C curve, go up, come down straight. At. Start little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, make a curve and sleeping line on the first blue line. At. A-T, at. A-N. Let us trace it. C curve, go up, come down straight. Standing line, go reverse back up. Make a curve, come down straight. N. A-N. C curve, go up, come down straight. And standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. A-N-N. A-N-N. A-M-M. A-M-M. Let us trace it. C curve, go up, come down straight. A-M, standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, go up, make a curve, come down straight. M, M, A-M-M. Let us write over here. A-M-M, A-M-M. C curve, go up, come down straight. A-M, standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Once again go up, make a curve, come down straight. M, M, A, M, M. इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको बोल के लिखना है. The next word is A-S-S. A-S-S. So let us write. C curve, go up, come down straight, and we will write S like this. A-S-S. Let us write over here. C curve, go up, come down straight. Okay, and S we will make a curve and reverse C curve like this. A-S-S. C curve, go up, come down. A-S. C curve and reverse C curve. S. A-S-S. इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको दोनों अल्फाबेट पास पास में लिखने हैं, बीच में जगह नहीं छोड़नी है. This is how you have to write the whole page of two-letter words.